How to create Instagram account. So if you want to create an Instagram account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After having an internet connection, you need to open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you just need to simply go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. And from here, scroll down, go with log out all accounts, and then tap on log out. Once you've logged out, now you need to go with the bottom, which has create new account. And from here, you'll be able to create a new account. Or you can also go with Instagram.com, which will take you to the create page. Now, once you're on your create page, you'll have this kind of interface. You need to enter your mobile number or your email address, and then create your password, enter your full name, create your username, and then tap on sign up. Once you tap on sign up, it will send you a code, verification code, to either your email address or your mobile number. You can choose any one of those and then tap on sign up. Enter that code that you've received on your mobile number or your email address. After entering that code, you will be verified and your account will be created. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.